Welcome. If you've been using Telegram Web recently, you might have noticed that new dust effect animation when you delete messages. It looks cool at first, but for many people, it can feel distracting or even slow things down a bit, especially on older PCs. The good news is you can turn it off in just a few clicks, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. First, open Telegram Web on your PC using your preferred browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top left corner. You'll see three horizontal lines. This is the menu button. Click on it to open the side panel. From there, scroll down and click on Settings. This will take you into the main settings area where you can customize how Telegram looks and behaves. Inside Settings, find and select Animations and Performance. This section controls visual effects and how smoothly Telegram runs on your device. Now, look for the option called Interface Animations. Under this section, you'll see different animation-related toggles. One of them is Dust Effect Deletion. Simply turn off or disable Dust Effect Deletion. Once you do that, the change is applied instantly. No need to refresh the page or restart anything.